use the quotient rule to combine log base 6 of 3x plus 2 minus log base 6 of y squared. Okay, so we want to combine these, but of course here it says use a quotient rule. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, we have two logs. They have the same base, which is good, but we notice there's a minus sign in between them here. Okay, so what does the quotient rule say? The quotient rule says that if we have two logs, okay, now with the same base, okay, so I'm going to put just a b there to represent, just a general format here, okay? So we have log base b of m minus log base b of n, okay? So there's two logs with the same base, different arguments, but now we are subtracting them, right? So the quotient rule says that we can combine them into a single base, but we have to divide the corresponding arguments together. And the order does matter, right? Remember, division is not commutative, so the order does matter here. So in this case, what can we do? Okay, they have the same base, there's a minus sign, so I will combine them into a single log with that same base, and we're going to have one argument here, but in this case, it's going to be a fraction, right? That's why it's called the quotient rule, right? Not because we're subtracting the logs, not because we're dividing the logs, I'm sorry. Okay, we're subtracting the logs, but we are dividing the arguments. So we get 3x plus 2 on the numerator and y squared on the denominator. And this is the final answer, right? We have successfully combined these using the quotient rule.